front of me is Microsoft Duo, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, just open your browser, here it is, then tap on More icon and click on History. Here you will notice the history that you've got. Just tap on Clear Browsing Data then, and select the stuff that you'd like to remove. So here you can mark all of them. You've got basic and advanced options where you can find browsing history, cookies and site data, cache images and file, saved passwords, out of form data, and site settings. So just mark those that you would like to remove and then pick the time range. So let me pick all time, tap on clear data, and that's it. As you can see, Chrome history is no longer here. That would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.